Integrating ShineOn with Etsy allows you to sell custom jewelry and print-on-demand products directly to your Etsy shop. Here's a step-by-step guide. Create accounts. First, ensure you have active accounts on both ShineOn and Etsy. Set up your Etsy shop and complete all necessary shop details, including payment and shipping settings. Connect Etsy to ShineOn. Log into your ShineOn dashboard. Go to Settings, Sales Channels and click Connect Etsy. You'll be redirected to Etsy. Authorize ShineOn to access your shop by logging in and granting permission. List products via ShineOn. Once connected, you can create new ShineOn products from your dashboard. Choose a product. Customize the design and product description. Select Publish to Etsy to list the item automatically on your Etsy store. Manage orders. When a customer buys from Etsy, the order appears in ShineOn for automatic fulfillment. ShineOn handles production, packaging and shipping. You simply monitor orders and provide customer support as needed. Optimize listings. Use Etsy SEO best practices, high-quality images, keyword-rich titles, and engaging descriptions to increase visibility.